take the shot. Yeah, the man.
Different structure.
Yes, please. I'm here.
Ladies and gentlemen, on 18 March 2025, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, took a firm decision on the political crisis brewing in Rivers State that had caused tension, fear, and threatened the peace and stability of Rivers State and the economy of the nation. He declared a state of emergency through the Emergency Proclamation Act, which I am responsible for, following from Mr. President's proclamation. And so I went about trying to identify a few individuals from which on 7th April 2025, I selected those seated here today as administrators of the 23 local government areas. I expect you all to recognize this moment in history and rise to the occasion as impartial leaders that will help me deliver on the mandate given to me by Mr. President to restore peace and stability and work towards returning all democratic institutions in the state. Your selection to this important office is not by chance, but a recognition of your capacity to lead, your commitment to service, and the trust reposed in you to bring governance closer to the people. As you assume office, be reminded that the local government is the closest tier of government to the people. It is the primary channel through which government touches the lives of citizens in their homes, in their communities, and in their daily realities. Therefore, you bear a sacred responsibility, a duty to ensure that the affairs of your respective councils are managed with the utmost care, respect, and unwavering dedication to the welfare of our people. The expectations of our citizens are high, and rightly so. They deserve leaders who are honest, selfless, and devoted to building a better future for all. Let me make it unequivocally clear here. This administration will not tolerate any form of recklessness, abuse of office, or misuse of public funds or trust. The resources allocated to our local governments must be used strictly for the purposes intended. There must be accountability and value for money in every project executed, every policy implemented, and every kobo spent. The people of Rivers State deserve to see how their money is being used, and it is your duty to ensure that they receive proper accounts and value. To this end, we will work out the necessary modalities to monitor and ensure full compliance with the principles of due process, transparency, and zero tolerance for financial recklessness across all local government areas. Let me assure you, this administration will not hesitate to take decisive actions against anyone found wanting in this regard. Specifically, I want you to focus on the following important issues while keeping an eye on all other areas as well. These areas include sanitation and environment management, primary health care, welfare and discipline of local government civil servants, primary education, and youth engagement. These are core areas I'll be focusing on while assessing your performance in the coming weeks. The importance of good governance cannot be overemphasized. It is the foundation upon which trust is built between the government and the governed. It is the pathway of sustainable development, peace, and prosperity in our communities. As local government administrators, your conduct must exemplify the highest standards of integrity, fairness, and responsiveness. I also urge you to prioritize collaboration for effective policing and security. The safety of our communities is paramount. Work closely with security agencies, community leaders, and the people themselves to ensure a secure and stable environment. Without peace, development cannot thrive. Remember, leadership is not about comfort or personal gain. It is about service and sacrifice. You have not been called to occupy office, but to occupy responsibility. You are not just administrators. You are change agents. You are the architects of the future we seek to build. A future of hope, progress, and shared prosperity. Carry this charge with humility and courage. Lead with vision and compassion. And above all, serve with honor and accountability. Congratulations once again, and may your tenure be marked with excellence, impact, and transformation. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State.
The Administrator of Rivers State, His Excellency, Vice CFR, this afternoon meets with service commanders. The administrators newly appointed include Anilite, Akpoti-Uduaghan, Mr. Good, Surveyor Ataji Kema, Dr. Gloria Akpoti-Uduaghan, Elele Local Government Clifford Ndu Walter, Obiakpo.
Thank you. Okay, no go. Thank you.